Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram business account. Let's start the process. Open your Instagram app. After it opens, you will see your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on this one. From here, tap on 3 lines, which are at the top right, and tap on the first option, Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down to see the option. Account type in Tools. Tap on this one, and on the second number, you see the option, Add a new professional account. Tap on this one, and tap on the option, Continue. Do the same with all. And here, describe what you are and why you want to create your professional account on Instagram. For example, if you are an artist, then select the artist. If you are a musician, the select musician. It's up to you. I am selecting a musician. If you want to display this on your profile, turn it on by tapping this icon. But if you don't want to, then turn it off. After selecting this, tap on the option Done. For security purposes, you must write your mobile phone number or email address. It's up to you what you want to choose. But I will write my mobile phone number after writing tap on the option Next. And here, write your name and also your password. After writing your name and password, do you want to continue with your sync contacts or not? It's up to you, but for me, I will continue without. Therefore, I'm tapping on this second option. And here, write your date of birth. After this, tap on the option Next. And here, write your username. Remember one thing, always find a unique username, because with the help of your username, people can find you easily on Instagram. After writing the username, tap on the option Next. Remember, the password is up to you. Do you want to tap on OK or skip? I will tap on the option OK. Are you a business? Select what you are. I'm selecting a creator. After this, tap on option Next and set up your business account. You can complete this by yourself, like introduce yourself, complete your profile, get inspired. But for now, I will skip this one. That's why I'm tapping on this cross icon. So as you see, my professional business account has been created on Instagram. It was a primary method by which you could make your business account on Instagram. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.